Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, power sunroof, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, trailering package, front wheel independent suspension. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.